The uses and abuses of mobile phone essay in English. Mobile phone is something that has made its users physically lazy and mentally crazy. There was a time when getting a telephone installed in one's premises was an uphill task. People had to wait for years and years to get a telephone connection. But in the late 80s, a revolution took place in the field of communication with the invention of mobile phone. Now when you need a telephone connection, you just go to the market, choose a mobile phone out of hundreds of models and makes, get a new SIM and start talking to your girlfriend. All this happens just in a few minutes and spending a few thousand rupees. It is perhaps because of this mobile phone that was once a status symbol but has now become a cheap toy with which both the rich and the poor play. Mobile phone has made communication with other people, including our near and near ones, very quick, simple and easy. It is a time-saving device. We are just a call away from our friends. In case of any emergency, we come into contact with the relevant persons in no time. We can thus save loss of life and property. We can also help law enforcing agencies curb crimes. Mobile phone is not simply a gadget for verbal communication. A number of its features as short message services, news, songs, videos and camera give us both knowledge and pleasure. Some mobile manufacturing companies have also added things of daily use such as calculators, torches and radio to their mobile sets. In this way, mobile phones are now multi-functional. That has made our life easy, comfortable and colorful. Some mobile phones are just like pocket computers. Sitting anywhere, even in our washroom, we can browse through the whole world of knowledge on internet within seconds. We can also play different games on it. But it is a pity that this boon is fast becoming a bane and curse only because of the unlimited greed and profiteering of mobile companies. In order to generate money, these companies do not avoid spreading evil. They give incentives to young boys and girls to talk whole night to the person of their choice by just paying a few rupees. The result is that the immature minds fall victim to their avarice. They indulge in useless, even immoral gossip and obscene chatting. Mobile phones are, on the one hand, becoming a big cause of wastage of money, wastage of time and spread of immoral messages, videos and pictures, and on the other hand they are harmful to our mental and physical health. According to a survey report, the excessive use of mobile phone may cause ear cancer. Mobile phone in itself is not a bad thing, but the wrong use of it may give birth to a number of evils. Thank you, everyone, for watching my videos and sharing them with friends.